Hari Om, friends. Let's understand what tears does to us, the value of tears. Tears is something which we experience when you go through when any individual goes through an experience which the mind or the intellect is finding it difficult to comprehend, to go through it. That helplessness manifests as tears in your eyes. Helplessness. You go through an experience which is either too profound, too difficult, too intense, and the mind is not able to comprehend it. The mind is not able to process it in the right way. It manifests as tears. Manifests as tears. There was a study done. The tears out of suffering and the tears out of positive emotions like gratitude. They say the chemical composition of tears, or the negative tears, tears of suffering, tears of separation, and the tears arising out of gratitude, tears of compassion or kindness or empathy, the chemical compositions are very different. So it's an interesting study. Therefore, what is suggested is, if there is tears, let there be tears of gratitude. Let it be positive tears, tears of laughter. There are people who laugh, and the laughter manifests as tears, tears of success. It could be that which makes you positive, makes you more progressive. That tears is okay. You may listen to a profound classical music, it moves you. It moves you. So tears, that's why tears of gratitude is okay. Let us not be a victim of tears. Why I'm telling this? As children we were crying. Now as adults also we are crying. What we cry for has changed. As children we were crying for toys, trinkets, for chocolates, or ice cream. Now we still cry, but our crying is different. We cry for attention. We cry for various reasons. You cry for a relationship. You cry for a position. You cry for a possession. So our crying has not stopped. What we cry for is changing at every stage in our life. Therefore, friends, understand, tears are okay. But if there is tears, let it be tears of gratitude. Let it be tears of success. Let it be tears of laughter. Not negative tears. Never. Let there be premium to our tears. We should not stoop ourselves to negative emotions and make ourselves a victim of it. So, it's okay. They say, laugh and the world laughs with you. Weep and you weep alone. Be glad and your friends are many. Be sad, you lose them all. Laugh and the world laughs with you. Let there be tears, positive tears, if it is needed. Otherwise, laugh and the world laughs with you. That's how we should live our life.